Now, we move on to Agenda Item 11, handing over of BIMSTEC chairmanship, and Agenda Item 12, remarks by the Chief Advisor of the Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, the new chairman of BIMSTEC. Excellencies and distinguished delegates, Thailand has the honor to chair BIMSTEC for 3 years. I am also pleased to have the opportunity to bring BIMSTEC back to its home, Bangkok, where it all began 27 years ago. As per the BIMSTEC practice, I have the honor to announce that the government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh is willing to accept the chairmanship of BIMSTEC after the conclusion of the 6th BIMSTEC Summit. I, therefore, have the honor to invite His Excellency Professor Muhammad Yunus, Chief Advisor of the Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, as the incoming chair of BIMSTEC, to give his remarks on this occasion. Excellency, the floor is yours.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the people and the government of Bangladesh, I would like to place on record our deep appreciation, particularly because this is the first time Bangladesh is assuming the chairmanship of BIMSTEC after the establishment of BIMSTEC Secretariat. It is with great humility that I accept the onerous responsibility for Bangladesh to lead the organization as the new chair. Excellencies, I accept this responsibility knowing fully well that the leaders of the BIMSTEC nations repose their full confidence on Bangladesh to steer the works of the organization towards new heights. I am particularly delighted that I am taking this chairmanship at the very city where BIMSTEC took off 28 years back. At this opportunity, I would like to thank our host, the Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Thailand, and the government and the people of Kingdom of Thailand for excellent hospitality extended to us since our arrival in the magnificent city and the immaculate arrangements made for the summit. It is also fitting to recall the great contribution that the Kingdom of Thailand has been lending amid the genesis of BIMSTEC and for the steady leadership it has provided over the past 3 years to this organization. Excellencies, as the BIMSTEC chair, Bangladesh will remain committed to actively promoting and enhancing the interests of the BIMSTEC region to achieve our common objectives with unwavering determination to bring about shared prosperity. Bangladesh is committed to working closely with all member states to materialize the purpose and objectives of the organization and to enhance the visibility of BIMSTEC. I would count on the wisdom and the foresight of the leaders and understanding of the range of actors and stakeholders within BIMSTEC's process. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, if we pursue our shared objectives with diligence and determination and mobilize our people to support them, BIMSTEC promises to shape up as a more meaningful and effective regional organization. Let's work to build a prosperous, stable, harmonious region that our people aspire. We look forward to see you all in Dhaka for the 7th BIMSTEC Summit. Thank you very much, Your Excellencies and ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Excellency. I congratulate Bangladesh and trust that the new chairmanship under Bangladesh will bring about prosperous, resilient, and open BIMSTEC and wish Bangladesh a successful chairmanship of BIMSTEC.